Yeah.
Let's make some oxtail meat. Now after adding salt, you're gonna add flour. We're gonna sear it, and then we're gonna add red wine. This is going to be our tenderizer. So this doesn't need brining, but the wine is actually gonna tenderize it. Make sure you add a nice generous amount of flour. The reason for this is because we don't want to add any soups. We really want the flavor to build up with the meat, and then the flour, it's actually going to thicken when we are simmering this entire oxtail. Remember, we spoke about a braising method, and today we're going to execute that perfectly for you. After adding salt, you add flour. You keep this in the fridge for at least 10 minutes or more. You can even do this before you go to work. You're gonna add your wholesome oil. Remember not to fill your pan. Allow your meat to breathe so that you can get that nice golden color. Now after searing your oxtail, you're gonna let it rest for at least 5 to 8 minutes, 10 minutes. This is a nice seared golden brown oxtail. Onion is almost cooked. You're gonna add your carrots, you're gonna add celery, and you're gonna add your garlic. You're gonna add your tomato paste. Also go in with our rosemary. You're gonna add your masala spice. If you don't have a masala, you can add curry. And then we're also gonna add some Cajun spice. If you don't have Cajun, at OPC they've got a dry barbecue type of seasoning that is almost like Cajun spice. You can also add that. Oxtail. This is our fancy oxtail. The flavors that are coming out of this thing, you know, I love traditional, but the flavors, my goodness. Oh, the flavors, Nkosiam. Almost forgot ginger. Another star of the show, Cavagnan Sauvignon. Cavagnan Sauvignon. We are going in with some nice red wine. Don't be stingy. Do not be stingy. You want to put the whole bottle? Please do so. This is your perfect time to balance it off. You can add a bit of salt. Since we love wine, we're just gonna go in with some more wine. Now after making your oxtail for 3 hours, which is actually falling off the bone, as you can see, to balance everything off, I mean, this is all optional. You can add in your peppers if you like. You can add in some of your herbs if you like, but this is only optional. We've got our basil, we've got our sage, we've got our celery leaves, and there you have it. Marvelous.